Leto is celebrating Darika's death. He even comforted Rachel, unaware that Rachel is playing him. And Spoiler suspected it. He was like, are you sure this girl is telling the truth? Alfred Magongo is going through the most. It's even affecting his family life. At least Togo is there to support him. TEF Highliners are at Berry FM for Youth Day. And they did so well. Mr. Q was really proud of them. He even took them to Kipsis. But Jackie ruined it for Pex. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Skim Sam. So Liekato was shocked to see Rachel back. I was like, Bele Darika only for Rachel to tell him that Darika is dead. That's explaining how the whole thing went out, what it was a deal gone wrong. They started killing everyone. She's the only one that survived. And Lieto was just feeling sorry for her and saying that his sorry was even comforting her. But I read Darika died because this man has 9 lives. I can't believe he is really dead because like there's so many times I thought he was dead, but he wasn't. Ari, did you actually see Darika's body? Rachel as yes, I did. I'm the one who identified his body because we've been acting like husband and wife. Later is like, what? So you've been sleeping with Darika? No, man. That man is like, is old enough to be my grandfather. Forgetting Goro Sala Nyala Maruti. And then Lieto tells Paul about it. Hooray, about it, Darika out of it. Spoiler could not believe it. I did not know that man could die when. Are you sure this girl is telling the truth? I don't matter, why would she lie? That girl keep black mamba. Go to spoiler type Rachel Clay. I'm not at all. Then later decided, let me call Fly and confirm. Funny enough, Handy spoiler suspicions are actually true because Rachel gets a phone call saying, yes, Lieto believed me. I told you I'm going to call you when the time is right. Who is she talking to? I can bet you she's talking to Darika. Darika is not dead. Lieto comes home happy saying Fly confirmed the news and that he even attended a funeral Darika. And then the next day, Rachel Armelo type of Fly than I said it last month. Let's celebrate. Do you know what this means? This means that we are free. Finally, we've got freedom because Darika is dead. They toast to freedom. But you can see Rachel, there's something she's hiding from Lieto. But so when I was about to ship them when they were hugging, Hante Rachel is already plotting something against Lieto. I'm not happy, Claire. I'm not happy, Lieto. Hey, come on, Alfred Mahonga is going through the most. How like his mind is not there at all. Why not try and I'm Mondu Mona? Talkers like you're taking when even the kids can see that you're not okay. Please try pull yourself together. I know what you're going through is hard. Ari is dreading going to pick up his stuff, go skolongu, and like it's hard because the teachers will Carol they'll be there gossiping. But at least Togo is there to support him. Hey, imagine if he was alone. What if Togo came to be Alfred's girlfriend at the right time when he really needed support because he'd be going through this alone. TEF Highlanders at BRFM, Mr. Q arranged this trip for them to go and debate the constitution, South African constitution. They did so well. Alongside DJ Thomas. And Amu did not hold back and told him, I'm your biggest fan because you made a girl confess her love for you on air. Referring to my pizza, yo. But the kids debated so well. Shem parents were listening. They were very proud of their kids. Bumatlati, Pex, even Limseviadi, her mom was so happy. Even Aliko Shobong, the Salamina, they could hear what did Jobabulela, and they were very like proud parents because imagine hearing your kids on air like that. It was just such a nice moment for the parents. Even they were just going like go mang go mang. Even Papa Pex, Mr. Homo was like, yo, go Pextin, man, because they did so well. And Mahlat even spoke about this thing because it's not fair. Constitution is not fair. People get to kill and walk free. He's definitely talking about the Maputlas Bari. It's brave man. Mr. Q was very proud of them. He was really, really proud. You guys did so well. I'm proud of you. Ibila, I'm taking you guys to Kepsis for lunch. Lunch is on me. Yo, the kids were so happy. Imagine Kepsis, yo. Now, Jackie Shu, wearing this shoe, it's very short, they are packing to study. Sale manga bala go packing te. Kanti wanyana uya Kepsis. Now she has changed, meaning the bag had clothes in there. It's like she was supposed to have a date with someone, but the boyfriend or whoever it is stood her up because she's supposed to be meeting a new guy for the first time, Kisho. When she decides to leave because the guy stood her up, only to meet Pex in Likruya High, go grade 12 faculty of high. Pex is like, what are you doing here? Does your mom even know you here? Jake is like, leave me alone when I Pex. Pex are asking me, I'm gonna have to skip lunch and take my stepsister home because I cannot let her be seen dressed like this. Kuri ngwanyana apara ka mo ipupunne kuri o ka ra se jeki. But the teacher's like, you know what, you can't miss lunch. Let her join us. Let her sit with us. Utlamisha gae after. They sit here to have the lunch. They're all happy. Teacher is motivating them. What's again, guys? I'm so proud of you. You guys sounded so smart on radio. You did so well. And come on, the boys, well, my class, they're busy admiring Jake, which is making the whole thing uncomfortable for Pex because that's his sister. Mr. K ended up saying, "What? It's not right to be out here in town chasing after boys. Arwana, just because you let me sit in your lunch doesn't mean you have to poke your nose in my business." Who does she think she is talking to a teacher like that? Everyone was just so annoyed with her because what the Mantolu said to go high, busy sulking. Pretty's back in Joburg to Muna High. Melas has prepared a whole dinner cooked for her. And Salamina talks to this guy feeling Clement Ditsuba you must stay away from these things because I wanted to show the guy. If I need to speak to your mom, I didn't get it. Last time Kiana, who is the one that introduced Clement to them. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.